Bonjour tout le monde, welcome to Frankly French. In this video, I'm going to talk about something which has helped me a lot in improving my French listening as well as speaking. So there is a podcast channel which is called as Inner French. And on that channel, there are the podcast audios available for different subjects. Like somewhere we are talking about the vacations, somewhere we are talking about the food or the travel or the work. So in those podcasts, when you listen to them, the first thing that is going to happen is that you are going to develop a vast vocabulary. Second thing, because there you have the control over the speed, like you can change the speed of those audios, so you can set up the speed according to your comprehension, according to your understanding of the language, and slowly you can just speed up the audios. Firstly, you can fix them at a slower speed, you can listen to the words, you can train your ears, and after that, when you feel comfortable, you can change the speed. The thing is that there usually these podcasts are with a single person or two persons are there, and both these two persons are going to speak clearly. They are not going to speak like something in general the discussions are going on and the words are not clear. No, they keep this thing in mind that their podcasts are being used by the French learners, so they are very crisp and clear on their pronunciation of each word. And the fourth thing that I have done personally for months is that I used to put the earphones in my ears and then to play the audio, and after that, I used to speak along with them. I used to speak along with them so that I can copy their accent, I can copy their style of speaking. And there is a general saying that fake it till you make it. That means that if you are not actually knowing the meaning of the word, at least continue speaking along with them, and slowly when you get the context, when you understand that what they are speaking about, you will also understand those words. So this is definitely something which has helped me to enhance my speaking to C2 level, and definitely this is something that is going to help you. You can let me know in the comment section that has it been something that has helped you, or you have already used it somewhere in your French learning journey. Thank you so much. Au revoir.